are at the hospital. Master patient is right here.
Well, if you want to say it like that, I mean, I guess that is how it's going to be.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where is my DM? Point
I
at where I am
pulled
supposed
into
to
your
go.
destination. It's over.
It's all.
Get out of my car now.
It said
Get
1760.
out of my car now.
Sir, it said...
Get out of my car now.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car.
But you're not to yell at me. You are not to yell at me.
9-1.
Do it. Do it. Do it. You are facing
Get
very...
out! Run!
Facing
Get out of my car! I'm facing a fucking moron! Get out! No!
You're facing...
What?
You have no right to scream at me?
I will fucking talk to you any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
Where am I?
You're at a hospital where
Where-
you need to be. Get out of my car!
Uh-oh.
Can you get her out of my car, please?